A man goes to the doctor and says, "Doctor, I think my wife is deaf. I ask her questions, but she doesn't respond." The doctor suggests, "Let's measure how deaf she is. When you get home, ask her a question from a distance. If she doesn't answer, move 3 meters closer and ask again. Keep doing this until she hears you." So the man goes home and finds his wife in the kitchen, cooking. He asks, "Honey, what's for dinner tonight?" No response. He moves 3 meters closer and asks again. Still no response. He moves 3 meters closer and asks one more time, "Honey, what's for dinner tonight?" Finally, his wife turns around and says, for the 4th time, "We're having soup."